Hi all, back to our series, Coffee with Investors. More about flipping. My coffee is almost finished. Flipping for profit. Well, there's lots of things you need to consider. And one of them is buying time. Time is money. But how do you buy extra time when you're looking to flip? One of the key areas you can do this in and mitigate your cost risk is to consider an option. The wonderful thing about an option for an investor is, of course, it ties the seller down, but it doesn't tie you. I think there's a bit of a moral commitment, but further than that, there isn't. But some of the things you need to consider when you take an option is obviously you're not going to run around and take a whole bunch of options on properties you have no intention of purchasing. But what you can consider is even paying for an option if you're that serious, because the price you pay for an option can actually still save you so much money if you're having the time and buying that time, which will afford you the due diligence time and time where you can prep all your building quotes and your market research and your in-depth preparation. That the minute you buy, and hopefully you could arrange with a seller that you take possession of the property before transfer, again, if it comes at a small cost, that doesn't matter. You really can get in, running, onto the ground as fast as possible. This could save you months and months. Those months is huge money. Happy investing, happy flipping.